Stop chasing. Look, it's Marcel, aka Honey Bunny Sunny, and I'm on a mission to make you some money. Listen, today we got a really good video. Just gonna go through the market today and do a market recap, show you what's taken off from the watch list from just yesterday, what didn't do exactly what we wanted to do, and just kind of walk y'all through that. Okay, so today was a pretty interesting day in the market, to say the least. You know what I mean? We had Hood on the watch list, MSTY, and we also had Nvidia, right? So I'm just going to walk y'all through how each of those are starting to perform. We know that, Monday kind of like provides a foundation for how the week is going to be. So let's see. All right. Now, Hood, looking at Hood, it went silly. Okay. The market's not quite closed as I'm making this video right now, but it is, within an hour of closing, and Hood is up 11.4%, right? 11.4%. And this is coming from the news, of it introducing, Robinhood banking, right? So this news came earlier today, took it to the top of its Bollinger Band. So originally on a watch list, right, this area right here is a gap. And I told you guys, I was like, we're not going to enter it unless it, come and breaks through the levels. Like I provided the levels on the video, go back and watch it. And the reason I provided those levels, because I knew that if it didn't break that, then it was really bouncing off of this level. Now, you can't always predict the news like what came in today, right? You can't always anticipate that they're going to roll something out on a certain day. So this is why levels are important, right? This is why levels are important, to know that like, hey, like, anything can happen here. We don't want to front run anything, right? So it opened up, I think it was up like maybe like 2%, 3%, off the open. And then it just pumped all day long consistently. Slight pullbacks throughout the day, but a consistent pump, as you can see, taking it over 11%. Now, this is at the top of the Bollinger Band right now, so it could possibly fall, but I would not try to swing this today. I would not try to get in this before there's some sort of confirmation. I'm still down here with it, y'all. I'm still waiting for breaks down here to enter into puts. I'm not going to mess with it up here, because Hood can just have a mind of its own sometimes, especially when it gets good news. It always, reacts to good news in a ridiculous manner. So I would leave that alone. I wouldn't chase it to the upside, and I wouldn't try to counter it either with a short. I would wait until it breaks into these levels to fill gaps. Okay, so that was Hood. What else did we have on the list? And like I said, it didn't drop, but you know what I mean? Like it held the levels that we called, so we're good. MSTY did exactly what I said. It's breaking into this this gap right here, right? So again, we have probably a half hour left in the market as I'm making this video, but it's breaking into the gap here. So a close above this previous high, is a confirmation for more upside. So this may even be good for a swing. I took this today. I also swung it last week because I saw the setup with the bullish Harami. So I was up pretty substantially. I'll put like a photo of, like one of the plays in here somewhere. But yeah, MSTY did exactly what it's supposed to do. A stock like this is not going to be down and out for too long, right? So you do want to make sure that you're taking advantage of the clearance sale that's going on right now, all right?